How is your feeling when I crack your neck?
It's very nice. It's like releasing so much.
Let's ready for full video. Video tluan tlingi lo ng u. Relax, okay? Okay. Stand like this. Hold like this. Yes, hold like this. This place. And come here. Here. This pain?
Yes.
Relax, okay? Yes. Yes. Relax, okay? Still relax?
Hmm.
Lay down again and face me. Face me. Face to me. Hold like this. Relax, okay? How you feel? Yes, face me again. Yes, lay down. Lay on your back. Okay, I'll relax, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all. How is your feeling when I crack your neck?
It's very nice. It's like releasing so much.
Yes, it's relieving, isn't it? And what is the difference between before massage and after massage?
Before massage, it was like very heavy my body and feeling like heavy. But after massage, I'm like so much release from my body, and I'm like I feel very very nice.
Okay. Thank you so much for allowing us to cover the video.